Hey guys, that Trucker Jay here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And my new children's book, A World of Big Trucks, is now available on my website. 6 pages of nothing but garbage trucks. See some of the most famous trucks in the country. Learn how to ask drivers to honk. See new trucks at the dealership. We even learn about all kinds of truck parts. So what are you waiting for? Order the best truck book for kids ever made, A World of Big Trucks. I am Trucker Jay and I approve of this message.